women start being at their prime at 18 when it comes to dating. 18 years.
And then men?
30. Your life starts making sense when you turn 30. Before that was amazama, man. You're trying to just make sense of things. But women, 18 years, you can find, you know, if you see, if you're in Dubai, if you've been to Dubai, if you're in Dubai and you're in an expensive luxury boat and there's an old man with a very big stomach, who's rich, who's a billionaire, with 18-year-old Filipinos in the boat entertaining him, you know what happened? That man had to work for the rest of his life to be in the boat. The girl had to be born beautiful. That's it. For young men, you can never ever find 18-year-old boys with a young billionaire woman in a boat. It doesn't happen. So it means now the pressures of a man or a young man are way harder than of a young lady. They are very hard. Every girl now you meet, she says, I want some